A tasty treat for you over there, chica.
Nghe được cả. À.
Alright.
Oh, not the cow đã. Chị. Chả nó tầm nhiêu bỏ nhẹ bỏ.
Yeah, so vultures, they are perfectly adapted for scavenging. In fact, their stomach acid is so strong that they can digest just about anything. No intestinal clean up food, their was a big favor by preventing the spread of diseases like tuberculosis and rabies without getting sick themselves. So I think Titan and vultures all around the world, they all deserve a big round of applause. Thank you so much, Titan. But it is time to say bye-bye to Stallone! And now he's going to be showing everyone here how we recycle in the zoo. Alright, there you go, guys. Got a few more items left. Another tin can, so one more plastic bottle. And there you go! And that is. So if authors can recycle, so can all of you. And remember, healthy members means happy authors. So one more time, everybody, let's all give it up for Liz and his trainer, Ellen. Let's wrap with each ticket that you buy helps us support over 40 conservation projects all across Southeast Asia. So let us all be partners in caring for our planet and the amazing, beautiful animals that live in it.
Oh, that's neat.
As my journey into the wild comes to
Oh, so many.
the world without wildlife is a world without beauty. So keep the wild within you and around you. Keep the wild alive.
Alright guys, and the end of our presentation is the world. One more reminder, if you see a bird above you, please be aware. But if you do get something on you, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and we'll help you as much as we can. So on behalf of the cast and the crew that made this presentation possible, my name is Leon, this is Devon. Thank you all for coming. Have a nice day and bye.
Singapore Zoo လူတွေအများကြီးရှိတယ်ငှဲ့တယ်ရောငှဲ့